This is part 2. Then I click it, then run it to see what it gives me. So this is the desired amount that I want. If I want to make it bigger, let's say 800 right here to 600. And click it, then run it. You see it look a little bit funky. I would say a little weird, crooked. Let's just say if we want, I think it's this amount, 700. Let's just say. This is the amount that I want to do. Am I satisfied? I will say yes. If I go 800, let's just say 800. What it does. See, it went all the way down. So let's just say 800 and let's just say 750. Okay, I will do this amount. That's what I will do. This one. And let me see what I want to do now. Then if B2 to click then I put click. Okay, now I'll put clicked it dot connect, sorry. Then put my action, or I can we'll put my search. That's an example of my search. There. Now I'm going to do is define my action, define my search, which it does for this one is it does when you click it, it will connect it to the search button that we want for this one. But it doesn't work because I need to write it my search. My search need to be capital because I write it capital. My search there. My search, then I put parenthesis, then semicolon. And it's just like a way print, saying an example. How was your? Yeah, I forgot the quotation. How was your day? How was your day? There. And if we click search, it will write right here. How was your day? Right here. You see. Then I exit out. Print. Then we can do this. Print my line. Print my search. Print my search dot text. I will just run it. How was your day? Let's just say search. You see? Wait, I did something wrong. Hold up. Hello. Okay, I will finish coding and show you. Okay. I did something wrong. My line text. No, it's B2 text. Then run it. Then I will say hello. Just click search. I'll find debug it. But continue programming. Oh, right here, that line. Always looking down right here. So I have to copy, then delete it, then paste, and bring it back. Bring it back, then run it. I would say good morning, good afternoon. Let's just say good afternoon. Search good afternoon. Right here, say good afternoon. Let's just put let's just think a letter D. Let's just say D. Equal my line. The line. Underscore line dot text parenthesis then we do after that try my try Apple app ID then equal wolf frame alpha. Then you need to space it out. Clean it. Clean it. Then put parenthesis. Just type anything. Let's just say 1, 2, 3 H E J K Q R F C 3, 2, 4, 1. Let's just say like that. Then do equal Apple ID and put Q and put that and put X then put answer. I'll put a half answer. That is what I'm going to do. Then put next RS result T dot text print expected